welcome to another video. That's my baby. She's literally at the door, but I hope you guys can hear me clearly. So welcome to another video. I'm getting ready for a girls game night. A friend invited me to a game night, so yes, I'm getting ready. So I did condition my hair. I have 1 hour to get ready, guys. But I did condition my hair because my hair was flaking out. Or the products that I used, it was like it had so much I had so much white cast on my hair, so I really had to wash my hair. I just could not take it out like that. So anyway, last minute I decided to wash my hair. It has been marinating for the past 30 minutes, so let's get ready for this game night.
A few moments later.
I just got to my friend's place not too long ago, and I just wanted to talk to you guys quickly because I left the house in so much rush, and so I didn't talk to you guys. But I was just able to comb my hair and put it to the back. I think it looks very simple, nothing much happening. I mean, it's a games night, nothing too serious, no makeup, just, you know, a lip balm, and that's it. Anyway, whatever I get into tonight, I will definitely take you guys along with me. And so yeah, let's keep it moving.
Something that's not there, I'm sorry, but next time just say what you want. Yeah.
We got everything.
Yeah.
We'll
be having fruits.
Plenty, thank you.
Lots of times when people are coming to my house, the expectation is to have salads and fruit, but I think we went a little beyond today. We went over. That's usually the expectation. You're gonna be our timer. Can you get a thing for put your phone on 45 seconds? You cannot say like
Literally. You can't say that, right?
Okay. There are 2 decks, the A deck and the B deck.
Okay.
Okay? So you pick the top 2 cards, and then, so for example, the pair is Haunted Wig.
Okay.
So the response you're looking for from your team is Haunted Wig. So I can go like, it was just Halloween. Children go to a blank house.
Okay.
The word.
Oh.
And then I am wearing a.
Oh.
So it is a.
White people game.
Wow.
White people.
House is
Haunted.
haunted. Haunted house. It's
Haunted road.
Haunted
It's
hill.
on
You have to
his
call
tummy.
it here.
Pink. Warm. Are we done?
No, keep going.
It grows on his tummy. It's pink. Warm. So
Haunted worm. That's your rule. That's one.
sometimes you make scramble. Egg. Thank you.
Remember, right? Yeah.
Not dream.
Yes.
Okay. All right. That's seconds.
Okay, ready? 10 seconds. Yes, start.
Somebody's order. Elder.
Elder.
Elder is not elderly. It's like who's.
He said elderly. Some performance.
No. He said elder.
Elderly.
No. Let's go. Hi beautiful people, good morning. It's a new week. Happy Monday. I don't know if you guys can see me. It's not very clear. Okay, now it's better. Anyway, good morning. It's a Monday. I am going to Walmart to get spinach. I was in the process of making arrow, and then I realized I don't have enough spinach, so I'm going to get more. And also my friend's husband will be getting promoted this week, so I plan to make her fish roll, so I'll be getting ingredients for fish roll. So yes, welcome to a new week. This is, what's today's date? Something November. I don't even know today's date, but today's the 10th of November. I remember because my husband has an appointment. Let's go to Walmart. My kids have been reminding, my daughter has been reminding, Mommy, we are late. We are not late. We don't have an appointment at Walmart. But anyway, because I told her a long time ago that we are going, she's been rushing me. So where's my bag? I just want to get my bag. My bag is right here. You guys ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Here, your back.
You are the most caring big sister that I know. Clean your mouth. You are the most caring big sister. Let's go. You are the most caring big sister. Careful, careful, the baby's coming. Got some baby spinach. What do you want us to get?
I want to get broccoli.
Why do you want to get broccoli?
It's healthy.
Broccoli is healthy?
Yes.
Okay. But we don't need broccoli today, okay?
Why?
Are you gonna eat it?
Yes.
Are you gonna eat the broccoli? If I get the broccoli, are you gonna eat it? Or you just want me to get it because it's healthy? You want oranges or tangerines? I'm gonna get this one.
Okay, look at this.
Is that one healthy? Oranges are healthy.
Yes, it's healthy.
Tangerines, those are tangerines or mandarins. Yeah, those are mandarins.
Cool. Wow, food.
All right, sit down. Sit down.
Mommy, wait in the door.
So there's this body wash that I started using recently from Olay. They are completely out, like they're out of the, when I get home I'll show you guys the body wash. It smells so good. Dove has all of this. That one also is like a sugar cookie, but it is it smells so good. They're completely out of it, and at this point I just feel discouraged because I don't even know what to purchase. I don't know what to buy at this point. I'm so sad. I'm really sad. Good morning, guys. I am in Delisa's salon. Delisa is getting my nails done. This girl is so jealous. It's okay. Okay, I'm getting my nails done. Delisa is helping mommy get her nails done. I must say I'm getting a very great treat inside Delisa's dollhouse. Yes, baby. Yes. Everybody here, Eliora is trying to please mommy, so it's a competition in here, guys. It is a competition, and okay, let's see who the winner will be, because Eliora too is trying to impress mommy. This is serious.
Yeah, mommy.
Oh, okay.
Ta-da.
Delisa just gave me her backpack. This is a pretty backpack that mommy gave Delisa. You know, Delisa has given me for, you know, is it for the moment, or you're returning my bag? Are you returning the bag back to me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I know you're gonna take it back. Anyway, thank you. Mommy gave it to you. I gave you, so I cannot take it back. Anyway, because Delisa is a girly girl. She loves fashion, so I gave her the bag. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. We just woke up. I know I actually spoke to you guys when I was at Walmart. When I got home, I just jumped into cooking because it was almost 2 p.m. and I was really rushing to cook because of course we needed to like have lunch. And when I was done, you know, we're just relaxing at home. Oh, okay. That's what you did. Oh, they started taking the stuff away from me. I haven't even graded you, Delisa. Anyway, you did well. Thank you. So I got done. You know, we just relaxed, you know, had fun as a family yesterday. We woke up a long time ago, but I'm still in my pajamas. I had my bonnet on and Delisa yanked it out. She yanked it off. Can I have my bonnet back? Okay. I'm basically still in my pajamas, honestly. So today I've been editing a video since morning. That's why I've been kind of lazy even to take care of myself. But today is the day that I uploaded my empty house tour video. I hope you guys love the video. That video was supposed to have been up long time ago, but there were just some things that were missing that I had to keep adding to the video, you know, in the editing process. But I'm glad I finally put up the video today, and I hope you guys love the video. Anyway, let me go get ready for the day, and I'll talk to you guys later. I have been on a mission to make this office look like an office, but it is hard. I have this. I used this. This thing has gone. It has gone through a lot in life. At some point, I used it as storage to store my kids' toys. That was when we were back in Hawaii. And now I want to. I used it at some point to put laundry inside. Now I want to use it for something else. So because I'm always in this room, maybe doing one or two things, it's usually cold in here because of course it's winter. So the plan is for me to put like a blanket in this thing. I'm going to definitely change this blanket, but this is what I have at the moment. So this is a very huge military quilt. I'm going to fold it and put in here, and the reason is because my kids are always here. And then this other brown blanket, I'm gonna put it in. Please let me know what you think about how this looks. Tell me what you think about it. Also, this TV, honestly, I want this TV mounted, but we don't have a mount yet. This table here, it's okay because there's still space inside the room, but I don't want it here. This is not even a TV stand. This is actually a coffee table that we brought from downstairs and put it here, but this I think has to go. So I have this other basket, and this was a gift for my baby shower, so they had other things inside. But let's see, between these two, which one do you guys love most? I think I prefer this one most because this other one is looking very flimsy, even though it looks good. I mean, that's just how it has always been, but I feel like this one is more steady. But let's see which one look better. I'm definitely gonna keep this and continue using in the laundry. Yeah, okay. Oh wow, the drama queen is here and she's throwing tantrums. Hi, why are you throwing a fit? Hello family, can I sit here? I think so. Good morning. So I'm still in the process of getting my filming / study room organized. I think last night I was talking to you guys about me not happy this table and this TV are here. I mean, the room still has a lot of space, but I don't like the TV being here. Whenever I'm ready to show you guys what this room will finally look like, I will let you guys know. But for now, let's just take it one step at a time. Okay. So my kids already got them ready kind of for the morning. They're downstairs. While they're downstairs doing their thing, I want to hop in the shower, brush my teeth, freshen up for the day, because yeah, the day has started, I guess. So yeah, let's get ready for the day. It looks so yummy. A yummy fish made by our special chef, the only chef in the building. Only chef in the building.